If you find that the right click function is missing on your Mac OSX machine, we can solve that problem for you. So in this case, we're using a trackpad, but it will be a very similar process for a mouse. You would just choose mouse here instead of trackpad, but this is a laptop with a trackpad, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in there. And right here under secondary click, we have, first of all, we have it enabled, right? And you can disable that, but of course, we want it enabled because we want the whole right click with the trackpad area, the bottom right-hand corner of the trackpad enabled. So instead of click with two fingers, click on the little drop down here and choose click in the bottom right corner. Of course, you can choose the left corner if you like, but standard is the bottom right corner for right click, right? And there's other options here like tap to click, tap with one finger, that kind of thing. I prefer to keep the bottom left corner as my clicking bit on the trackpad. It makes things less error prone, right? And you can adjust tracking speed and other things here. But the main idea was to get that bottom right corner bit working so that now if I close this and if I right click the bottom right hand corner of my trackpad, I get a nice little right click menu.